third grade math, it's Thrilling Thursday, and I continued with my flower theme from yesterday. I have a sparkly red rose on my tank top, so I thought I'd wear a rose on my head to match. So today we are continuing with perimeter, but yesterday I just had you counting boxes to get the perimeter. Today you're going to be using addition. So I'm going to give you all different shapes, and you're going to add up the sides, and then you'll find your perimeter. So to find the perimeter, you have to add up all the sides. So P equals adding all the sides. Now, remember yesterday we were labeling everything as units. So today, if there's no label given, you'll continue to label things as units. But if they give you a measurement such as feet, centimeters, yards, inches, that's what you're going to be labeling it as. So watch me. Now here's a square, and I labeled everything as 2. Now there's no label, no inches, no feet, no yards, so we're going to label it as what? Units. And I want everyone doing their work today on a separate sheet of paper. Do you hear me? Everything should be done on a separate sheet of paper because you have a lot of adding to do. So you would add up 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So we would get 8 units. So perimeter equals 8 units. Does everybody see how I did that? I did all my work on the side. That's what I expect you guys to do. You must do all the work on the side with the pencil and paper. So we're using addition today. And there are some fun shapes too that you have to find the perimeter on. So I'm going to say 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters. So now I have a rectangle, and I labeled it with a cm, which means centimeters. So that means we're going to be labeling it as centimeters. And again, we're adding up all the sides. So I'm going to do that work up and down. So I'm going to say 4 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1. See, I'm adding up all the sides. So 4 plus 1 is 5. And remember, you can use your sideways caret to help you. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So perimeter equals 10 centimeters. Remember that sideways caret I taught you how to use? So you may want to use that today, especially if you have more than 4 sides to add, and you will. Okay, let's do another one. I'll try to do a different shape for you. This is going to be 2, 3, 4, and 6. Okay, so now this is one that has all the sides are different. Now it doesn't matter because you can still find the perimeter by adding everything up. Now notice there's nothing labeled here, so we're going to call it units. So I'm going to say 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6. Again, I'm going to do my sideways caret. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9, and then I know 9 plus 6 is 15. So perimeter equals 15 units. 15 units, easy. Now, let's see, you may be adding more than 4 numbers today. All right, so let me see if I can draw something out for you. Oh, we could do like the boot. You guys like when I do the boot. Or like the Trapegan T. 2, 3, 2, 2, 4, 5. All right, so here's this boot. I labeled it as 2, 2, 2, this is a 3. It's a little hard to see. So 2, 3, 2, 4, and 5. Again, I didn't give it any label, so we're going to call it units. So again, you have a lot of numbers to add up. So 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5. Okay? Now again, you could group it differently if you want to add a couple numbers together and then another couple and then add them all together, or your sideways caret. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. So perimeter equals 18 units. So you can use any strategy you want to add up all the numbers as long as you add them all up. I'm going to do one more example for you, and then you could complete the sheet in our Google Classroom. There is one word problem that I challenge you to where you have to draw a picture. All right, so now I label this one as inches with the IN. So we have 4, 4, 2, and 2. So if you don't want to add 4 numbers together, you could add 2 sides together. So you could say 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2, you get 6, 6, and then you can say 6 plus 6 equals 12, and then the perimeter would be 12 inches. See that? I added 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2 again, and then I added 6 plus 6, and I got 12. The perimeter is 12 inches. All right. So you have one problem solving to do, and then you guys are going to meet me and we'll practice some more problem solving. All right, I hope if you have any questions, ask me when we meet. Bye guys!